The DoiT support is bar none the best that we've seen in the market. Garner's flagship product is a cloud-based solution that allows detailed visibility into supply chains and workflow automation in the energy industry. Software is used by pretty much all participants in the supply chains, essentially owners of the materials that purchase them, vendors that manufacture them, freight forwarders that ship the materials, as well as customs agencies and contractors. Contractors themselves are the ones that are doing work on site, installing the materials, and therefore they also need quite a bit of visibility where their stock is. So our customers really benefit by reduced cost and higher employee productivity. Well, our customers are demanding. They're, of course, larger enterprises, and we have to respond to their needs quickly. Our solution must be cost-effective and yet scale. DoiT was recommended as a resellers of Google services by Google themselves. They said that most of the customers, if not all customers, speak highly of DoiT, and I can attest to that as well. So we engaged at Google's recommendation about a year and a half ago, and we really never look back. The DoiT support is bar none the best that we've seen in the market. So we're a very big Kubernetes user, quite sophisticated Kubernetes user, and we discover some of the issues. We have a process through DoiT to get on top of these issues and get them addressed. DoiT does provide a fantastic console with the data with regards to usage and particularly with regards to costs. And so we can identify cost anomalies quite easy. In fact, there is an automated process that sends us an email, and anytime there is an anomaly of some kind, well, this allows us to fine-tune the system for the highest possible efficiency while continue to provide highly scalable, robust, extremely fast solution to our customers. All of the technical issues, we've opened the ticket right away on DoiT console, and it was fascinating to see how quickly the tickets were picked up and addressed in sophisticated manner, with the follow-ups of face-to-face meetings where we would talk about the solution. When we had what perceived to be, short-term outages, we would get in the meeting right away and have a conversation, what can be done, what the issues are, go through logs together with engineers. And then there would always be a follow-up stage where DoiT engineers would recommend possible prevention mechanism to avoid some of the things that we've seen in the past. So there would always be a follow-up stage before the ticket was closed. We find that kind of feedback cycle where we start with details and analyzing the issue, then troubleshooting the issue together, and then there's the final stage of issue prevention before closing the ticket is quite productive and works for us. The success for Garner is a stable, highly available, highly robust platform at the end of the day. And we need to achieve this balancing the cost and, of course, our time investments. If DoiT continues to provide the services that they do provide with regards to highly technical support, where we can really talk to engineers almost immediately after we discover an issue and open a ticket, and engineers give us a value by giving an insight that we didn't know. Our technical team is very sophisticated, and therefore we're looking for very sophisticated support as well, right? Something that our technical team can cover. And so the success to me is this support that you guys can give us on an ongoing basis, just like you have done in the past.